Hey everyone, welcome back to Latest Carbox, your go-to source for the latest car reviews and updates. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of 2025, the all-new 2025 Volvo XC90. Let's get into it. Introduction to the 2025 Volvo XC90. The 2025 Volvo XC90 is a true standout in the luxury SUV segment. It's a vehicle that has been meticulously redesigned, combining Swedish elegance with cutting-edge technology and safety features. If you're in the market for a high-end spacious SUV, this is one you definitely need to know about. The XC90 continues Volvo's legacy of producing vehicles that are not only luxurious, but also safe and practical for families. Exterior design. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Volvo XC90 carries forward the brand's signature sleek and minimalist aesthetic. The front end is dominated by a bold grille, flanked by sharp T-shaped LED headlights that give the XC90 a futuristic look. The body has a refined aerodynamic profile, with clean lines that add sophistication while reducing drag. The 2025 model comes in a range of eye-catching colors, and with the large alloy wheels, it exudes both elegance and confidence on the road. Interior furniture. Step inside, and the XC90's interior is nothing short of stunning. True to Volvo's Scandinavian roots, the cabin is designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. The premium materials such as soft leather upholstery and high-quality wood accents create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The 2025 XC90 offers 3 rows of seating, making it an excellent choice for families or anyone who needs extra space. The seats are not only spacious but also extremely comfortable, with adjustable settings to suit all body types. One of the biggest upgrades for the 2025 model is the new infotainment system. It comes with a large touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, it's super intuitive, allowing you to control everything from navigation to climate settings with just a few taps. Volvo has also included a premium sound system for an elevated audio experience during your drive. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo XC90 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. For those seeking more power, the turbocharged engines deliver a punchy performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. There's also a hybrid option that blends power and eco-conscious driving. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the XC90 provides a smooth and quiet ride thanks to its adaptive suspension system. Plus, with all-wheel drive available, you'll have no trouble tackling a variety of terrains. What's also great about the XC90 is how it handles on the road. It offers responsive steering and a composed ride, making it a joy to drive in both urban environments and on longer road trips. Whether you're running errands or going on a weekend getaway, the XC90 delivers a refined driving experience. Safety features. Safety is always a priority with Volvo, and the 2025 XC90 is no exception. Equipped with Volvo's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, it comes with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. The XC90 has earned top marks in crash tests, so you can rest assured knowing you and your passengers are in good hands. Conclusion. To wrap things up, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is a top-tier luxury SUV that balances style, performance, and safety in a way few competitors can match. It's perfect for those who want a spacious, comfortable vehicle without compromising on tech or driving dynamics. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or just looking for your next luxury SUV, the XC90 should be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the 2025 Volvo XC90? Is it your dream car? Let us know. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Latest Carbox for more in-depth reviews, updates, and everything else you need to know about the latest cars on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.